It is Sunday morning. Wake up, little red panda. Good morning, friends. The sun is gentle today.
Stretch, stretch. That feels nice. My tail is fluffy today.
Let's open the window. The air is fresh.
Brush, brush, brush. Fluffy fur is clean. Wash your face. Splash, splash. Cold water wakes me up. Let's put on a cozy sweater. It is soft and warm.
Breakfast smells good. Yum. Berries for me. They are sweet. Drink slowly. Eat slowly. Enjoy the morning. Let's relax today. It is Sunday. Time to be calm. Look at the clouds. They are big and fluffy, like cotton candy. I will read a little book. Pages are colorful. Stories are fun. Let's play softly. Rolling a ball. Tap, tap, tap. That is funny. Time for a small snack.
Apple slices are yummy.
Yes, very sweet. Let's sit under the tree. The leaves are moving. The wind is gentle. This is peaceful. I like Sundays. I feel sleepy again. Time for a cozy nap. Good night, little red panda. Sweet dreams. Oh, hello there. Who are you? I am Biscuit.
I am a bunny.
Nice to meet you, Biscuit.
My name is Pepper. I am a red panda.
The forest is close. Let's go.
Hello, little one. I am Pepper. This is Biscuit.
I am Spike.
Would you like to walk with us?
Yes, please. Look at that!
They look like little umbrellas. I feel so peaceful here.
Let's play football.
Yes!
I will try my best. Nice shot, Pepper. 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs. Oops. Got it. It is beautiful.
This is the best cake in the whole forest. I agree.
Me too.